Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new on my channel, my name is Olga. I have been blogging for over 6 years now, and today we will watch with you some fashion content. We will make an unboxing of the brands which is called Stylewe. I've already collaborated with this brand of independent designers. There are different designers in one site that you can purchase with good quality pieces. I already have one review with more summer clothing dresses, and now I've got opportunity to show you some winter or warmer pieces, sizing, how they fit on me. I'm quite short, and we will start. The brand Stylewe was founded in 2015. It's an online multi-designers brand, as I said. They have very original and exclusive styles, which is hard to find somewhere else. I've made a few pics for myself of the very interesting clothing, and I think in these clothes you can feel more elegant and stylish not only in everyday life but also for some festive season. I will also tell you that we have a discount code. It's Olga's 18 for 18% discount right now, and I will show you. We will unbox all the pieces one by one, and then I will try them so you can see how they actually fit on me. Also, of course, I will put all the link in description box, and we will start with the first piece, which I think is one of my most favorite from the haul. It's this beautiful long maxi dress in a white color, in this fluffy texture, like fluffy material. I've got it in size S. I will try to show you the whole length. You can see some pattern in the front. Also, I will put a picture how it looks on the model. And I loved especially the material, this soft, look at this soft material. It's like a small cloud which you have on you. Also, I hope it will fit. Let's have a look. So it's really difficult to record myself from far away because you need to see my feet also, so I do it in the mirror. The dress, which I love, I adore how it fits. It's quite roomy still here, but I don't care. It's not too big, it's not too bulky, it's good on my shoulders, and look how fluffy it is. And this is a maxi dress, so I can have high heels, or even if I don't have any heels, it will be good length for me. So I'm still so short, but I can have it without any belts. And yeah, this material is so soft. It actually looks exactly like my chair here. I even asked my husband to make a picture of me sitting on the chair. And yes, it's really cozy dress, and this is probably one of my favorites from today's haul. I think it's really special thing. And I've got another dress which is also very soft and pleasant. It's not so thick. This dress is thinner, and we have a buttons over here on the neck line, quite nice, I think. This dress is also long maxi dress. I like that it has this detailing here on the bottom of the dress, and it has also the pockets, which is comfortable to have. I loved how it looks on the model, and also there is a belt to this dress, so you can actually make it smaller on your waist. I'm not sure that I will actually fit in this dress. We will see. So this dress, the beige one, I love the sleeves, but it's way too big here for me, with the pocket somewhere hanging. I will try to make it with a belt so it will look better. Otherwise, even in small size, it doesn't suit to my short petite form. And but actually I love the quality. I love this. Maybe I can go to tailor and do something with it. Maybe we can actually cut it. It would be perfect if it would. I would cut just like that. Let me grab a belt. So here is with a belt. With a belt it looks better, though I have a very big pockets here. Oh, they are huge. And it's a lot of fabric here. And especially on the back side, but not so many people look on the back. I still can have it. It's much better with a belt. It's supposed to be this oversized, fluffy, convenient, cozy dress, and now I kind of like it, so maybe I don't even need to cut it. What do you think, guys? I think that it's pretty like it is, and it's probably supposed to be so big. Yeah, I think I love it more and more when I try it. These golden bottoms are just so pretty. Now look at the sleeve. Very nice, nicely made. You can see the quality through the camera. I think that you can even feel it, that it's so soft and pleasant and nice. And the next top is in this beautiful color. It's pink. It was written that it's a pink on the side, but for me it's a bit with like lilac undertone, so it's something in the middle. I love the color, and I like that it's like it can hang on one shoulder. I love the quality. It's also soft. It's a bit see-through, and I think that it's very pretty. I will try it with a bra under so we can see how it looks. So this one shoulder sweater is just very lovely. I style it with my old, it's not so old, it's quite new actually, skirt in burgundy color, and I think this pinkish lilac color is just perfect. As you see, it's a little bit see-through, and that effect I wanted to have from this top, and I love how it looks. So definitely it's a yes, and definitely can recommend this beautiful top, beautiful sweater. It's so pretty. I actually can go out somewhere in this outfit. I think it's really nice. It's 5 from 5. I don't know why didn't I have in my closet something like this similar before. I think it's very beautiful piece in the clothes. So my recommendations. We go next, and next we have a blazer in this beautiful green color, and it is made from the velvet. I loved the color on the model, and I was sure I want to have it. Actually, there is also trousers for this blazer, but I didn't take them because I thought that they will be too long for me. But if you're taller, I think it will look good, like a complete set. Looks a little bit bigger also. It's a size S, but I like oversized, so I'm hoping that it will fit. Let's have a look. I also wanted to show you the quality of the velvet, and there is also a lining which you can see, which are actually really good. Also we have a pockets here which I need to open, and here it's also the buttons from the same quality like fabric, and it looks really expensive for my taste. Very nice, and I really love this piece. So here I'm trying the velvet blazer. I must say that the quality is very beautiful, soft, pleasant lining, and the soft velvet. I love the quality, and as I said before, everything looks really expensive and nice. The only thing I think that it's a little bit too big size for me. If you are going to buy this blazer, takes size smaller. I think you can go down the size because it's quite big and it's quite roomy. I would prefer it to sit a bit more tight and maybe to be more short. I think it's possible also to go to tailor and make it like on my pass form, but anyway, if you are like medium size, you should go for small. If you are large, you should go for medium. Anyway, it's lovely piece, and I will see if I can tailor it for my sizing and for my petite frame. During this video, you will have to write me in the comments which piece is your favorite and what do you think about these styles. I'm curious to know what do you think this festive season, and I was eager to add a few festive pieces to my closet, and I took this blouse. It's a big, like fluffy, very oversized blouse, but I also actually took size medium because they didn't have any small, and I thought the bigger volume it will be, the more fashionable it will look, so I was okay with the size medium. I like that it's see-through and you can make this big bow in front or on the side. There is also some buttons on the arms, and I will see now with you guys how can I style it. So that, guys, is a bomb. Look at this. This is actually very good. That material is so stiff, it's so hard, so it can stand and make this form of all this like bubbles on this blouse, and I think it's amazing. I made this bow on this side. It's possible to make it in another side, or I can have it like in front hanging. I can even have it like that also, and I can have one side back and one side here. It's a lot of options what you can do. I have it in medium, as I said, so I think I need just to move the buttons so they are a little bit more tight. I love how it looks. I tried with my midi skirt from Birger. I really can recommend this thing because it's a statement piece. It can stay in the closet for a long time and it always be like an accent in the closet. Here is the next piece, is a dress. And this dress, I actually not sure if I took it right for me, because I thought it's a bit different color. When I saw it on the model, I thought it's more greenish undertone, but it looks really yellow, like almost with orange undertone, very warm, and I prefer colder. I already had a dress from Stylewe from previous collaboration. And it was in exactly this color that I love. I will show it to you. This dress with the golden detail, I will put somewhere a picture. So I actually thought it will be something similar, but it's completely different. How do you think, if it also suits me or not? The dress itself looks quite big here in the waist. I don't know, it's size S, and I will try it and see if I can have it with a belt, how it will look. So this dress with this egg or chicken color, as I say, it's actually quite cute on. I like the form, I like the big sleeve, and it's a little bit too big here for me, so I use my own belt. So you know, if you have bigger frame, you still will fit into the small size. Look how much space I have here. I love the lengths, and I love also this cutting here, but the only thing that I must say that you can see the lining and need to be accurate with the underwear, so it should be the neutral color, otherwise it might be a little bit see-through. Otherwise this dress is actually much better than I thought when I unpacked it. So I really love the style. I think this style suits to my frame, and as I'm telling, this brand is everything about some special designs, something that you will never find somewhere else. So this is also a beautiful piece. This is really nice. I wanted to show you without belt, so you can see that it's quite a lot of space. And this is size small, so probably it needs the belt. This dress needs definitely the belt. Also, I have a coat here. It's not very warm, but for autumn or spring, or maybe for winter when it's not so cold outside, I can imagine to have it. I wanted to have a coat in my collection in this white color, like short coat, cropped, that I could style with some trousers or with some skirt. It will look good. Also, I would like to have a scarf over it, and I love the quality of this coat. You can have a look. It's so soft and nice, pleasant fabric. The only thing I'm not fan of these buttons, like they are gold, and you don't see them if you close the coat, but if you open, then you can actually see them quite bright. I would maybe like to change them for something else, because for me they look not the best way with this coat, and this button is completely different. It's like brown. Otherwise, I love the coat and love that it's soft, and I love oversized. Let's have a look how it looks on me. So here we see the coat. I wanted to show you how it looks on me. And do we have pockets? Yeah, we have pockets. It's quite nice that we have pockets. And I love the style, and I love the length of the arms is okay. I have the size small also. I love this oversized like view, and I'm pretty sure that it will be also cool looking the whole white outfit, or maybe something other color. And it's pretty thick, so I'm not getting cold here. I never think that I will close it, but let me try close it. Do you think should I keep the buttons or not? Write me, how do you think, should I keep the buttons or should I take them away? What would you do? But otherwise it's very pleasant to touch. Last thing from my haul today is the blouse in a white color. I picked one more blouse, and this is different model. It's a cropped one. As you see, there is a waistline, and also there is some material hanging here, like some fabric, but it's not very open, so it will not open too much of the bra area that I kind of always wearing in these models. I don't know yet how it fits. Let's try it. I love this piece. This is so minimalistic, elegant and nice. And look at this small detailing here, this all stitching. I have a zip on the back side of me here on the back, so it fits good with the trousers, would fit the same good, and with the skirt. As you see, it's perfect here, very elegant, beautiful, and the size is also good on me. I like how it fits. I think this piece can stay in the closet like forever, because it's nothing trendy in it. It's a classical piece. It's an essential which you can use for a lot of occasions in the future. It's a really pretty item for my taste. So this was my review for today. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to use my discount code Olgas18, and I hope you will have good holidays. Don't forget to support me with your like and comment, and I see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye!